Did you know that plastic can be found in every single environment on Earth, including the Mariana Trench? This is very alarming news, knowing that no ecosystem on the planet has not gone untouched by a resource humans use day to day. Not to mention the damage it has done is astronomical. I believe most plastics, especially single-use plastics, should be banned nationwide. I've researched this topic and found that the ban on plastics will certainly benefit humans and nature as they are harmful to our health. Today, I will be going over plastics' effects on human health, its effects on wildlife and the environment, and alternative resources to plastics. Let's start off with how plastics are harmful to your health. According to the American Lung Association September 2022 article, studies from the last few decades have consistently shown plastic particles found in lungs of patients with cancer and chronic lung disease. There has been a correlation linked to serious illnesses associated with microplastics in the body. In another 2022 article from the Center for International Environmental Law, microplastics and nanoplastics have penetrated every single system of the human body. This cause comes from our diet. When animals or fish eat microplastics in the environment and then are killed for us to eat, the microplastics are transferred to us. Besides human health, plastic is incredibly damaging for wildlife and ecosystems. In a University of Colorado Boulder April 2024 article, the world produces nearly 400 million tons of plastic, a 19,000% increase from 1950. The amount is forecast to double by 2050, and 90% is never recycled. This means there is a massive amount of plastic waste in the world today that will take hundreds, if not thousands of years to biodegrade. According to an Environmental Protection Agency April 2024 article, plastic pollution poses a threat to the marine environment. It puts marine species at higher risk of ingesting plastic, suffocating, or becoming entangled in plastic pollution. The ocean is one of our most vital ecosystems on the planet, and the damage plastic is causing to important marine species is devastating. Many of the species plastic is killing is also food and business for many communities, which puts them at risk for famine or economic failure. In another University of Colorado Boulder December 2023 article, it is estimated that just the extraction of these fossil fuels and their transportation to plastic factories emits 1.5 to 12.5 million metric tons of greenhouse gases. The making of plastic is contributing heavily to the warming of our planet, from immense carbon footprint it's taking to produce it. So, what can, as a society, start to slowly decrease the plastics? Some alternatives are biodegradable plastics. These are degraded by microorganisms in a shorter amount of time than normal plastics are, and are a better alternative to the normal plastics we use today. Another alternative is paper and cardboard. This resource has been used for centuries before plastic was invented. It is a great start for an alternative. However, it is not as durable and it is quite flammable. One of the best alternatives we could possibly use is bamboo because it grows rapidly, it's a renewable resource, and it is biodegradable. It also has a minimal environmental impact. It is possibly the most sustainable option. While new alternatives are still being researched, which are most beneficial for humans and nature, the alternatives I listed are great for now. As we come to a close, I hope today I've enlightened you all on the harmful effects of plastic on our earth and our health and persuaded you all to switch to alternatives, as well agree that we should put a ban on plastic as soon as possible. The future of our planet depends on us, and we could either choose to live in harmony with it or destroy it, but in the end, we are only destroying ourselves.